Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Um, Today is not a good day. It's not a good day at all for me because for some reason the car won't shift out of park. Looked at a few videos to see what it is, and yeah, it's not working for me. So yeah, it's not working for me. I just drove the car yesterday, and now today it won't get out of park. As you can see, I've taken some of it apart. No, I don't have a long socket to actually pull all this out, but you're supposed to do this first. This is kind of like a bypass reset or something, and then yeah, it's not working. So I think the plastic piece underneath here that I actually can't get to because I don't have the tool to is actually broke. So a buddy of mine is going to come in, take a look at it, and while I find a ride to work, and if he can come in and fix it, that would be amazing while I'm at work. If not, I mean, I'll just have to find a way. Well, I'll just have to get it towed, maybe to Dodge or somewhere. See if they'll fix it. See how much they'll fix it for, and just go from there. Because that's the point where I'm at. So I just wanted to give you guys a little update on the Charger with the headache I'm going through, and I haven't even got it aligned yet. So yeah, so now with the alignment that I haven't got done, man, this car is, that's why it's a project. So that's why it's a project. So yeah. Yeah, I'll see what I can do, but as of right now, because I need to get to work, so that's all I can do right now, man. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on that. And now, if you guys know anything, have had this issue before, please let me know, like what I can do, what I should do, so I can get this thing back on the road. So, all right, thank you. Peace out. Hey guys, welcome back. Just want to give you guys a quick update. Did get the car to drive today. Got it moving. Was able to put it in gear. Didn't take it to a shop or anything. My buddy came over. He took a look at it, and he, whatever his mechanical skills are compared to mine, they're definitely higher. But he just took apart a couple more pieces than I did, and I'm sorry. We that lever that was on the side, the pink lever. Well, the front one, that actually, if you actually stick your hand in there, that releases the gear. Well, that releases the shifter, so you can shift it into gear. So we were able to do that, and then the damn key would get stuck in the damn ignition. So we had to put the piece with the wire that we took. Well, we didn't take it apart, but we kind of had to loosen that up. So we put like this clamp back in it, and we stretched it out, put the clamp back in it, so it was like at its original part before we actually before I disconnected it. So that was able to get the key out. And I tell you, man, if it's not one thing, it's another. Like I said, this car is a project. So I really don't mind like going through this stuff because it's gonna make it better. But man, that's just a headache, man. I swear it's just a headache. So I'm getting ready to leave. I'm actually underneath the AC, so I just wanted to chill under this AC before I leave. Um, yeah, just chill. I'm just chilling underneath the AC. Wanted to give you guys a little kind of a little heads up about the car. Like I said, I'm gonna go in the car. I'm gonna show you what I was talking about, how we had to start it and everything. So for you guys, it'd be a few seconds. For me, it'd be a couple of minutes. So stay with me, all right? Hey, good morning, guys. And it said it was gonna be a few seconds for you, like a whole bunch of hours for me. Technically, I totally forgot. Um, After work to show you guys. So I'm gonna show you guys right now. All right. So, yeah. All right. So, like I said before, this pink thing right here. This is supposed to be one of the bypasses to help you. But if all else fails, if this doesn't work, yeah, you're gonna have to kind of break it down like we did. Move this out of the way. There's another pink thing right there. You see it? Where you're gonna. Sorry. Where's it at again? I'm sorry. Alright, so you got this pink thing right here. And basically, I'm going to show you. You see that? That right there moves it out of here. So let me go ahead and start it. So you see it's in park, right? Stick your hand in there. And then booyah. That's how you do that. And then you're gonna have to do that every time you want to take the car out of park. So yeah, that's what I gotta get fixed. I believe it's a thing in here, but it might not. It might be something in here as well. So I'm gonna take it to Dodge, have them take the VIN, see if it's one of those cars that had the recall on it, see if they'll fix it for free. If not, see how much it is to fix it, and how much the part is to get it, whatever. So yeah, that's the update on it, guys. A little weird thing, but yeah, that's the pink thing right there. And just pull that like towards you, and then it'll push the shifter out, and then it'll pop into gear. Alright, so thank you for watching. See you next time.